Hello everyone. Oh, welcome back to the channel. Just nipping out in the car, going to the caravan in storage. It's been a little while since we've been to it, to be honest, with everything that's been going on. Lots of busy stuff going on in real life, and our holiday to Orlando. Watch the video. And I'm just going to reattach the battery clips, hopefully, if I can do it. DIY skills are slightly lacking, and I'm going to move the caravan forward and back a little bit because it's been sat on its same bit of tyre for a month or two now. So I always hear these horror stories that they eventually get flat. So I'm just going to see if I can push it or pull it backwards, forwards myself. So wish me luck. And there it is. Still there. As I say, it's been a little while since we've been in the caravan, which is a bit of a shame because we do love caravanning still. Just with this summer holiday going away to Florida, and just very busyness in normal life, it's been hard to get away since our last trip. It must be a couple of months at least, which is a bit disappointing, but we're going to try and get away soon. We did say we were going to book something, and we haven't even got around to doing that yet, but I'm sure we'll go away at least once or twice before the end of the season. Now I'm going to try and as I say, move this caravan forward or backwards a foot or two, just to give the tyres a bit of relief. I hope I can push it on my own. I'm sure I can. I'm a big strong lad. Now, last time the caravan was put here was just after our service. I noticed that when they put it back on, they've put the brake on, and I was never sure whether you should leave the brake on it or not, but I'm just going to take it off now, obviously, to move it. That's better. Lock off. We always put little chocks as well, just in case. And this one is absolutely wedged in, so I'm gonna have to push it forward to get that one out. I can't get it out. I've got to be careful, don't sting myself on that nettle, of course. Obviously get the steadies up. Unfortunately, I can't film it and do it at the same time because I don't have three arms. Ow, this got me. Nettle got me when I was winding the steadies up. Ouch. Maybe from the back. It's a bit stuck, so I think I'm going to have to hitch it up probably and then pull it forward a little bit. Pretty close, just drop that onto there and pull it forward a little bit. We're on, just get this jockey wheel up, shift it forward a foot and then back a bit. All set up again, fastened down. There, moved it back a bit, moved it forward and back a little bit. So I think that's on a different bit of the tyre now. Now I'll go inside, well, I'll hitch the car anyway, and I'll go inside and see if I can reattach those battery clips so they work next time we go away. So this is our famous battery compartment. These are the quick release clips, and as you see, every time we disconnect the battery, one of the wires falls out. It seems it's just too tightened to get both the power from the electrics and to the motor mover. These are the original clips. So I'm not sure whether just to try the quick release ones again. I'll go back to the original clips because I like to take the battery out when I'm not using it for a while and just keep it on topped up in the garage. I think I might just see if I can reconnect the quick release, give them one last chance, and hopefully, fingers crossed, they'll hold out. Right, so I've reconnected the two quick release ones. They still don't feel that firm. I think they'll last about 5 minutes. I bet next time I bring the battery in and connect it, they'll just pop off again. I have to get Wander Home involved again. We shall see. One thing I do hate with almost a passion at this new caravan is that battery compartment in the floor. It's just so awkward to get to, especially when I like taking the battery out. In other caravans, well, the Explorer 3 or 4, it was just in the battery compartment on the side, you just unclipped, slid it out. It's so tight. As soon as and as well, because all of the things, it seems to be compressed into that little spot. You put the lid on it, it seems to put even more compression on it all. It's not the biggest battery compartment in the world. Yeah. One of the drawbacks, I'm afraid. So that's all done. Right, thanks for watching anyway. I'm sure we'll have plenty more videos coming. We'll get somewhere booked, I promise, if you like watching our holiday videos. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch all of these videos that are about to appear at the end of the video. Bye!